Have you ever wanted the look of cobblestone or brick without the hassle? Well, with Hormigón Impreso, you can have the best of both worlds. Hormigón Impreso, also known as stamped concrete or imprinted concrete, offers a unique way to upgrade your patios, driveways, and walkways. Imagine this: the charm of traditional paving materials with the durability and affordability of concrete. That's the magic of Hormigón Impreso. This technique involves pressing decorative molds into freshly poured concrete. This process creates the look of various materials, from natural stone to wood planks, without the high cost or maintenance. Whether you're aiming for a rustic, modern, or classic look, Hormigón Impreso offers endless design possibilities. So what exactly is Hormigón Impreso? It's a special type of concrete paving that combines functionality with aesthetic appeal. Unlike traditional concrete, which can look plain, Hormigón Impreso allows for customization and creativity. Think of it as an art form where skilled craftsmen use molds to imprint beautiful patterns onto the concrete surface. This process creates a continuous, seamless surface that is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly durable. From mimicking the look of cobblestone streets to replicating the warmth of slate tiles, Hormigón Impreso offers a design solution for every taste and style. The roots of Hormigón Impreso can be traced back to the United States, where it emerged as a revolutionary paving solution over 50 years ago. Its popularity quickly spread across the globe, reaching Europe over 30 years ago, and it has been steadily gaining momentum ever since. Today you can find Hormigón Impreso in countless applications, both residential and commercial. Driveways, patios, pool decks, walkways, and even interior floors have been transformed using this versatile technique. Its durability and low maintenance make it an ideal choice for high-traffic areas, while its design flexibility allows it to complement any architectural style. One of the biggest advantages of Hormigón Impreso is its incredible durability. It can withstand heavy foot traffic, harsh weather conditions, and even vehicle weight, making it a long-lasting investment for your property. Unlike individual pavers that can shift or crack over time, Hormigón Impreso creates a solid, unified surface that resists wear and tear. But it's not just about practicality. Hormigón Impreso is also incredibly easy to maintain. A simple wash with water and mild detergent is usually enough to keep it looking its best. And because it's a continuous surface, you don't have to worry about weeds popping up between the cracks. When it comes to cost, Hormigón Impreso offers a competitive advantage over other paving materials like natural stone or brick. Plus, its longevity means you'll save money on repairs and replacements in the long run. So, if you're looking for a paving solution that's durable, low maintenance, and visually stunning, Hormigón Impreso is definitely worth considering.